So pretty much what I think that Carl Sagan's main point here was is that despite the fact that the universe or whatever is huge and like technically Earth is very small compared to that, like it's just nothing, it's still everything to us. Like because it's all that we have ever had, and because of that, we should preserve it because as far as we know, it's all we're gonna be getting. So to me, the main point of the video, or to me, what the video was, is that it was pretty much that, being like people treat things that happen here as if they're nothing because we're very small, but just because it's small compared to large scale to us, it still should be considered something that's huge and has a massive impact to us because, right, like to us, that's all that really matters because this is everything that we have. Like even though it's small in comparison, that it's still but we're small too, so it's still proportionally it's the same thing. The reason why I think it's even matters in this class is because natural disasters or like environmental things are treated like they're kind of small or like kind of a passing thing, but they still have pretty massive impacts on us. This like even though technically they are small, like kind of short events, like it's still incredibly important to us, and it's still all that really should really matter to us.